Alright guys, I gotta run it. Need to run it. I just gotta get the water pump on now. Running. Alright, let me cut her off. Alright guys, I'm just going to show you this. I'm pumping the gas out. And it's all pumping out. It's clean right now, but this is fresh gas I just put in here, so I don't know what it's going to look like when it gets to the very bottom. When it gets to like the least bit of gas, but I'm still going to pull the tank off. I think the tank will be stable. I think the lines are just clogged from the old gas. I don't know. I'm still trying to figure this out. So yeah, it's pumping out right now. So got this from AutoZone for about, I think $9, $10. It's doing the job though. So, and I'm still trying to figure out this thing. So I'll probably work on the radiator while I'm letting this drain out. And I gotta go order a water pump from AutoZone. I gotta figure out if it's cheaper at AutoZone or O'Reilly's. Yeah, I found one for $32 at AutoZone. But they said they don't have it, so I'm gonna have to go to the Dollar one because I'm gonna get the Bullcraft one. But they said that they ain't got it. They ain't got it in stock and they can't order it. So probably gonna go down to O'Reilly's maybe. So yeah, I'm gonna get the rest of this stuff pumped out, okay? All right, guys. So clean this stuff out. I got it somewhat cleaned out. I need to get some more gunk out of there. Probably. I'm trying to mess with it right now. It's just all caked in there. Dirty, so I don't want to clog nothing up. So, and then I brung this up here. I gotta get this off. I've tried with a screwdriver. I have a little tiny torch thing. I'm just gonna melt this off or something. I'm gonna find something to get off. So I can get it on there. Then I gotta get the water pump. I'm trying to get. There's some gunk over there. It's really hard. I cleaned some of this off too. I'm still working on it. I guess I'll just wipe it down one more time. Let me get a paper towel real quick. Wipe it down and then it should be good to go. Let me set the camera down. Of course, once I get everything hooked up, I'm gonna hit the flush thing out multiple times. But like I said, I'm gonna send the radiator off to get it rebuilt. Probably. Unless I'm pulling off another car. And then so it's getting there. I mean, I know there's stuff in there, but I'll get that whenever we get all the system hooked back up. And then once we get all this stuff hooked back up, then I'll flush the whole system out. And oh shoot. I gotta jack this thing up. Take the tank off. Right there. Yeah, I'm gonna take her off. Tonight. Like I said, I'm just trying to get this. I was just getting all this cleaned up right here. And then I gotta unfortunately I still got the push button. Right here, I gotta get it hooked up. And then I gotta find a way to run it through here. Somewhere through one of these holes or something. I gotta find somewhere to run it through so I can start from inside. Cause I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get the ignition fixed. But I think one other thing I'm gonna replace is this. I can't remember what it's called, but it may fix the reason. Because I already replaced the switch and I replaced the relay. This is the only thing left. That might be the reason the key's not working. So, yeah, that's all cleaned up. So I'm gonna get this off. I'm gonna get this off right here. I'm gonna take this off. I'm gonna leave it off until I get the water pump. This should begin in the next few days, and the line, 2 lines for it to hook up to the water pump. I might be able to sit, but I might be able to save this one for right now and get it later. But I gotta get another one of these. So I gotta get the top one, and bottom one, and then like I said, I'm gonna get this back jacked up, take the tank off. I gotta blow these lines out because it's just, yeah, the line's right there. It's just clogged. I think it's clogged. It's not coming out very slow. I think I need to replace it. So yeah, I'm gonna try to get. I'm not replace it. I may replace it. I don't know. Depends on how hard it is to run one through there. Run another one through there. I don't know. I'm gonna try to get this cleaned out. So I need to get the pull the tank off first. And I'm not sure if I'm about to get the tank. The tank's not too bad. And I'll save it and clean it. But if it's too bad, then I'll just go to AutoZone and buy another one. But I gotta finish pumping the gas out with this little pump right here. So let me get all this stuff pumped out, and then I get back with you guys. All right, guys, part 2. Got the water pump off. It's just disgusting. It's nasty. I'm trying to get the coolant stuff hooked up so we can get the gas tank off. Because I gotta put the gas tank off, and then I gotta get this sludge. It's just all up in here. And all the carburetor's hooked up. The only thing we have to do is redo the throttle. Oh shoot! Just spit something. Throttle is just funny. Throttle is gone now. It's really gone. We're gonna have to replace that. And so I'm trying to get the coolant system hooked up in this video. It all hooked up. And I'm gonna order new belts and new radiator hoses. I'm gonna walk over this radiator. The radiator, I'm gonna have it fixed, but I'm just gonna put it on there for right now until I get another radiator. Well, not a radiator. I'm gonna get it fixed. I'm gonna put it on there until I get everything hooked up and the car running. This is it right now. It isn't. I mean, it has a little leak on it. It's not a big leak, and it's in rough shape, but it's not that bad. I'll just use it for right now. The key's still, the ignition's still not working. So, gotta get that hooked up. I probably won't get that hooked up in this video. But let me go get this clean out right here. And I'll go clean up, and then I gotta go get the water pump and the hoses and the belts hooked up on here. So, and then I gotta get the gas tank off. I'll get the gas tank off this video most likely. And then I get a little tank hooked up right here for the gas right now, so we can try to get it stay running. But we won't get it driving this year because I gotta replace the throttle. I'll do that in the next video. But yeah, and still, I gotta get this door working. So I need to get this door working right here. It just won't come open. Carburetor's on now. You've seen the part 1. We got to turn over. I got it running for a few minutes a couple days ago. But I don't want to start until I get the coolant system up, so it don't heat up. So I'm gonna get this junk and stuff cleaned up. It's just full of rust and stuff. It's just nasty. This water pump in this thing ain't very big, and it's only like $37 for a new one. But it's just corroded. It ain't even worth even messing with. It's just junk. So I'm gonna try and get this cleaned up right here. So I'll get back to you when I get it cleaned up. Got the gas tank off. It's just bad. I mean, the inside's clean, but I'm gonna have to clean this up because I think I can still use the gas tank. But I'm gonna have to get a new fuel cylinder, even though it worked, because the fuel cylinder it's just water. The water leaked down in this car. it leaked down the hole right there. I already patched up the other stuff, I got patched that up. It leaked down in there, it's just nasty, man. It's just disgusting. And there's the old lines, they're just all rusted out. But when I got the water pump, and I'm probably gonna put it on, and I'm gonna go get the bottom radiator hose. And on there. I got it just a minute ago. Picked it up and ordered last night. I still gotta clean all it up. I did get something rigged up on here right now since we ain't got a gas tank. Got this right here. So I gotta put the alternator back on there. And I gotta move that around because the alternator's gotta go back on there. Put the alternator on there. The other stuff so we can get all this rigged up, so we can get it all started and get the cooling system put on there. When we get the cooling system put on there, then keep running for a little while because we can get all this oil and stuff burned out. I already changed the oil, but I'm gonna change it again because I think it got a little bit of gas in it. But so I'm gonna try to get the water pump on there. I accidentally broke that when I took it off. I didn't mean to. It wouldn't come off, and then whenever I took the line, I unhooked it from the thing that goes down in there to the gas tank. I can't remember what it's called. I unhooked it right here, and that other piece just came up out of there. So the gas tank's not really that dirty. So but I'm gonna clean all this up and get the gas. Not the gas, the water pump on there, and yeah. Let me get this all cleaned up real quick, and I'll get back with you guys in a minute. Alright guys, well, got the water pump on. Just gotta get the belts because we gotta find the belt. I've looked at the part stores. She's on there. I looked at the part stores. Can't find them, but like I said, I bought some fuel line. 10 foot of fuel line right here. Gotta run it all the way to the back of the car. If you look over here, right there, it's just leaking everywhere. We can't try to pump gas out of it. And I come to the conclusion I'm probably gonna have to buy a new tank because it's just rusted out. So, and those lines, I'm gonna have to replace the lines, I guess. I think only the return line, but the line for the I can't remember what it's called. Then I'm not gonna replace it. I'm just gonna put a piece of rubber on it. I'm not gonna replace it. But I'm just gonna switch to all the rubber lines. So I guess this will be it for this video. For the next video, we're gonna get the belts on and the radiator on. Instead of working on the radiator on, so we can keep it running at one point in time. Just keep it running so we can, or can we keep it running so we can circulate and stuff. Because I've only kept it running for like a few minutes at a time. So we're gonna try to keep it running for longer since we have the cooling system hooked up so we don't mess all the valves and stuff up. So yeah, guys. Next video we're gonna get all the cooling stuff finished, but we got the water pump on this video. The other one, this one was just disgusting. It was so hard to get. I would have videoed it, but I don't have a tripod right now. I had to disconnect all this from this thing back, this right here, and then I had to disconnect this little bar right here, disconnect that and bring it this way, and then slide it in there. Now I really got it bolted on there. I should go buy the bolts because I lost the other one somehow. But I gotta find some bolts and put on here. So I'm gonna that's what we're gonna work on next video. So alright guys, subscribe and like please.